poor financial decisions. It's a Sprinter. I'm on my way home from work right now, and we're about to get on a plane, me and Billy. We're flying into California to pick up our brand new Mercedes Sprinter van.
Again.
Where are we going, Billy?
To get a Sprinter van.
Say hi. Adding an extra terminal at the airport. So we're waiting for a flight and we decided to get some mimosas. No, we got in trouble. So we landed in Dallas. This is a big boy airport, a lot bigger than our Florida airport.
How's your sandwich?
It's all red.
What is it?
It's roast beef. What do you think of the carpet? So we made it to California. It only took us about 6 hours.
6 hours.
Because we had a layover because you can't get direct flights from the Florida Panhandle. It's only going to take us about 30 getting back. It's Sprinter time. Good morning. We're walking to go pick up our Mercedes Sprinter.
How long do we have to walk?
30 minutes, but it's probably a lot cheaper and faster than an Uber in LA. Getting our walk-in for the week to the Mercedes-Benz dealership. It's about 1.5 miles from last night's hotel. Sprinter. Here she is. How is it, Billy?
Nice.
Click that one for the axle locking.
Okay.
So.
Now do you need to be stopped to engage that, or is it a roll?
It's one of those things that like I always do it in neutral.
Okay.
And sometimes you may need to have just a slight roll just to activate the locks.
Yep.
But other than that, yeah, I mean, people sometimes do it in park and drive, but I always just pop it into neutral. That's just, I think, is my safest thing.
Yeah. Best way to get out of here is to just straight.
Honestly, the best thing for you to do is just, you can drive right down the service drive, or if you want, you can back out this way and then Chandler Boulevard's right here.
Okay. Park brake. Where is that?
Do you know what you're doing?
No. Park. It says park.
Turn left and then turn right.
And we're off.
In 200.
Look at this fancy shit.
That's what bougie Billy wanted. We're on our drive from LA down to San Diego now. How's it driving, Billy?
Smooth. Lots smoother than I thought. So it's got all kinds of fancy things. Got the volume control. It's got all the cameras. Not working while you're driving. It is a 170 Mercedes 4-wheel drive adjustable armrest. Got all these fancy motors. Got wireless charging up there. Still don't know what half of this does. Or this. It's got a lot of echo noise in the back. It's pretty empty. But once we put the chill mat in there, it should deaden the sound. You won't hear as much of that. That'll be the first thing we do. We'll see how she does on gas mileage being a diesel.
When was the last time you saw a blimp? So we just picked up the van from Keys European Mercedes-Benz dealer in Burbank, California. So now our first stop, we have about a 2-hour drive down to San Diego. We're going to be visiting some friends for the evening and hopefully getting to stay on their boat.
Take a shower.
Get a shower in before a drive across the country back to Florida. So far we haven't hit much LA traffic, which is good. We're kind of leaving in the middle of the day. So hopefully we get down there by 2 p.m. and have some time to hang out.
Get some tacos.
Some San Diego tacos.
East on Shelter Island Drive.
Made it to San Diego. There's the van up there. We're gonna stay on a boat tonight while we visit our friends before we take off for the next 4 days back across the country. Talking van stuff.
Luminous is the best. They're right here too.
Yeah, I know. Everything's here. So I'm like, while we're here, we might as well pour a van in there.
The best mechanics are here too.
Yeah.
Oh.
Say hi. Nice.
I love the color.
Yeah.
Oh, it was the first? I broke his chair.
Look at that view, babe. The face you just made.
I don't want to hit it on anything.
Well, it smells so good.
Yeah. Wow, you didn't let it pop.
So beautiful. Good morning.
Where are we?
We're at Sunset Cliffs at the Pacific Ocean. So it's 10 a.m. on Friday morning and we're leaving San Diego to start our drive, 2,000 miles. We put in Albuquerque as our first stop and it's predicting we'll be there in 12 hours. Sprinter friend. So we've been driving pretty much all day, with the exception of stopping in Yuma Yuma, Arizona to get some errands done. We had to stop at Lowe's because Billy's trying to find a specific Yeti cooler that we can't find, because every time we stop at a Lowe's, the only one they have is in red, and we don't want red. We originally were planning to try to get to Sedona, but realized that because it's winter, it gets dark early. So we figured we were just going to keep driving as far as we could till we get tired. We're going to be stopping at a campground somewhere near Petrified National Forest in Arizona. We're trying to do 500 miles a day for 4 days to get 2,000 miles in and get back to Florida. How are you feeling?
Rough.
We pulled over for the night in the middle of the desert, and our air mattress kept deflating.
And it's 34 degrees.
So the sun's about to rise, and we think we're just gonna start driving. To New Mexico, and we're taking a little detour. Pretty cool. Headed back to the Sprinter, get back on the road. We're gonna stop in Albuquerque to stop at our third Lowe's, so that Billy can find the cooler of his dreams.
No, we need a mattress.
And we need a mattress because that air mattress is not gonna cut it. Third Lowe's. Gonna try to find a cooler and an air mattress, so that way we don't have to sleep on the cold ground. No cooler. Got our new queen mattress. It looks very comfy. And I got myself chocolate.
So we are driving through New Mexico right now, and there is nothing out here. And it's Joanna's first time driving the van.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's so smooth. It's nice.
What else?
I have my cruise assist on, so my feet are free. It also slows down if there's a car in front of me.
Turn left, then your destination will be on the right.
That last stretch was definitely our longest stretch. But we made it to Texas, and we wanted to just keep driving so that way we have more time hopefully to spend in Austin.
So last night we slept on the new mattress. That was amazing compared to waking up on the ground. Also, it wasn't 32 degrees, it was like 50 degrees. That was a lot nicer. Not having a heater in here yet. Right now we're driving to Austin, Texas. Gonna find somewhere to shower, grab some breakfast, just chill out for a bit. And then we'll get back on the road and try to make it to Louisiana.
Alright, so we made it to Austin. We stopped at a Planet Fitness and was finally able to shower after 2 very long days. But it's Sunday morning, so we still have time to hang out here before we hit the road again. And I'm looking forward to some breakfast and some coffee. It's gonna be great. So we did shower Friday morning, but it felt like 2 very long days because now it's Sunday. So we didn't shower on Saturday, but it's felt like a week. Billy wants to name it the Pleasure Beast. Recording? So we're at the Laundrette in East Austin, finishing our night with some wine. Bigger beers and clean plates for your next one? Sure. Look at that van. Houston now. We've been driving through it for at least, what, 30 minutes? I never realized how massive of a city this is. Got my Starbucks. We woke up somewhere outside of Beaumont, Texas. I feel like we've been in Texas for a long ass time. But we're only about 7 hours from home, so final stretch. We're in a tunnel, Billy. Do you care? Hold your breath.
Don't fart.
We're back from LA. I don't know, does it fit in the driveway? Are you excited to see your doggy?
He loves his bed.